Hi guys, how are you all today evening? Good evening. Today I shall talk about my observation of the individual natures of male and female living entities. To begin with, let me tell you that as far as I have observed, there is no difference between male and female in intelligence, talent, skill, ambition, hard work, etc. All those plus points that make a living entity successful materially and spiritually. However, when it comes to male, he uses his brute force, whereas women use their sharp, cunning tongue at the time of crisis. At the same time, during a particular crisis, men are more attuned to using their head rather than their heart, whereas women are more attuned to using their heart rather than their head. This has some few exceptions, but generally this is the case. Both are equally capable but have a different way of reacting to a situation and solving a problem. Third, these men are living in a male dominated society and female women are also living in the same society. Hence, women prefer to take a back seat because that suits their purpose when it comes to troubles. Because when there is trouble, they are very capable of inciting the men to take all the responsibility while they can enjoy the benefits of the society. There may be a few exceptions to this case, but generally this is the case. Second, one thing I have noticed is that men in general are more spiritually inclined than women. I may be wrong in this case, but I have a feeling that men are spiritual and women are religious when it comes to divinity and loving God. Second, men are more attuned to the devotion coming out of the role of a servant of God. That is, men want to work on an assignment from divinity, whereas women want God as a lover, as a child, as a parent, etc., so that women can show what they are best at, their platonic and other love, especially conjugal one. You may be able to recognize this fact and appreciate it because when it comes to servant of God, we get the examples of the male Pandavas, Hanumanji, Bhima, etc. Whereas when it comes to conjugal love, we are told as an example about Radha, Meera, etc. That shows that whereas men want to work for God, women want God to enjoy them and they should also enjoy Him. This is all for the present. Kindly let me know how you like my talk about the difference between male and female species of living entities in this society. If you agree with me, kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that I can keep reminding you about my future videos. Please pardon me for any error in my appearance, diction, spelling, grammar, etc. because when I am talking to you on a particular subject in spiritualism or materialism, I am concentrating only on that subject and hence I cannot afford to distract myself towards these frivolous subjects. For the timing, this is what I wanted to tell you. We shall meet during my next video. Till then, it is goodbye.